Hello, let's spin into Berg River Resort and open the doors to sunny Cape Town. Look at that. Berg River Resort from above. Very sweet to the left on the Cape Town side, you see the great big lemon orchard overlooking that near Olympic sized swimming pool and the kiddie pool right next door. The swimming pool is about 3.5 meters deep on the deep end. Left of that is the clear fresh water of Berg River, ready for you to go and swim and fish in. The restaurant and comfortable wooden deck is right next to the restaurant and offers you a lovely view of the river, which we're just going to fly over now. As we go upstream, the water does get more shallow, so yes, you can paddle around, but it's not really ideal for swimming in. But we'll go further upstream and you'll see even a few hundred meters up, it is fit for swimming in because it is quite a bit deeper. Post the flood of a few years back, you can see the difference of what the Berg River Resort have done in their restoration up ahead. Some happy campers on the left down below there, looking back towards the Towel Monument. But there on the residential side up ahead, you can see that there's more restoration and planting yet to be done. We look forward to that in the near future. The said island on the left, you're looking at it, is not part of the Berg River Resort property. It's private, it's restricted, so don't go there while you're camping. I love going camping here out of season. Look at the abundant space. Our tent down below on the left and another tent behind it. You can barely see it. We had all that space to ourselves and basically 5 or 10 minutes away from the Towel Monument and restaurants in Paarl. Once again, I'm drawing your attention to the repair work and planting on the Berg River Resort side. Returning now in the Franschhoek direction. There's the Franschhoek Mountains in the distance, and back towards the pool area and the deep swimming area. As you can see, once again, plenty of space out of season. You do want to come here when there's no one else around. Isn't that amazing?